Okay, I am in a Marshall's, but check this out. $59.99. Look at, you have the cute couple. They're in a gingerbread house. That is a new one. And then we have the ghost with the eyeballs. Okay, with the eyeballs on top too. This one's really cute. It will light up. It is by Ghoulish. So here's the top with the eyeballs. One had like the ghost with like the cookie. Let's see if I can get this lit up. 25. I can't light this up. I could barely even see it. We have the ghost couple. Well, they're not really a couple. Just saw two automatically kind of go to couple. This is $8 right here. And this little girl with her little pumpkin pail, she's 15. Okay, there's new coasters. These are really cute. Here is a ghost one. They are 10. Let me hold it for you. They are marbled ghost. They have the witch hat. Oh, you know what? I thought there was a bat one. Wow, these are so heavy. $12.99. You get 6 in the witch hat, so you will get more. But they're marbled. These are really nice. I wish they had a bat one though. Okay, nothing else too new. Still the alien guys. Again, I feel like Marshalls and TJ Maxx are kind of a little slow when it comes to Halloween, like putting out like new stuff. Look at this right here. The straw set, $5.99. FB water bottles. They have the ghost marble at the bottom, and this is pretty much it. Ghost, Jim Shore, and the Snoopy, $29.99. We did see this in another video, but I really am loving this house right here. That's just really cute. Yeah, that's 40. There's so many, you guys, I've been coming across so many Hello Kitty snipers. It is just weird. It is weird. And you can spot them when they walk in. They like walk really fast. Not to be mean. They walk really fast. And you already know. I'm like, oh.
And it's funny because when Hello Kitty's gone, they go right for the nightmare stuff.
Yeah. Okay, that was new. Nothing new there. Not even new candles. But let's go down the pillow department. Okay, this is going to be 40s by Martha. You will get like a family ghost or something. You get 2 ghosts, 1 little one. This one has a bow tie. Same one. Oh, there's a ghost married couple. I know we've seen the Franken one. Let me see that one. $29.99. It's okay, I got it. $29.99. Let me see what she looks like. Oh, I'm married. Oh no. It's all, yeah. Okay, this blanket is kind of cute. It's $29.99. I like the eyeball. The snake, the ghost. I kind of like the eyeball though. That's like actually cute. And we got like a more ghost pumpkin. Okay, speaking of Hello Kitty, I want to say this one's new. Haven't seen it, but $25. She is 25. With the RIP. I like the vintage sticker, pumpkin spice, the cat. These are $8 right here. I like those. Those are really, really cute. And these candles down here. I mean, they're supposed to meant to be like vintage vibes, but I don't know, the vampire one is kind of odd. But I mean, I still would like it. This one, they're $12.99. $12.99. So he smells kind of like Old Spice. Smells like deodorant, but I mean, it's good. I like that man smell. What does he smell like? The same?
A little different.
They kind of smell the same to me. Scarlet pumpkin, smoked vanilla, dark. That's pretty much all they have. I'm waiting for them to get the cool stuff. Oh, those are cute. The donut one, $12.99. Let's see on the mugs. We have the skull mug, which is $7 right here. Oh, look at this guy. He's bright neon green. He is $7. We got the one with the heart. Pink spider web, eek. I feel like I feel like this is gonna fall off. I'm gonna walk away. I feel like it's not on right. That one's cute. That's $5.99 right there. The heart one in the web. That's cute too. Okay, we just saw that. Oh yeah, down the same aisle. Yeah, that's it for Halloween. Look at this one. That's $5. We got the cat with the necklace, and that's $12.99. The links, the wooden one, but you only get like 3 links. They're gonna be 10, so it's not like a long one. 3 little words: pray, trust, and wait. Pray, trust, and wait. Oh, let me pull one out. These are by Quill and Paper, and they're gonna be $9 for that. 100 for, oh my god, you got all the Hello Kitty blankets. See, I was right. Sorry, because we came in at the same time. I was right. She was a sniper. Let's go down the blankets. Oh yeah. But it's the same ones that from the previous video. I like the skull ones. And this one I thought was really cool because I like how the whole face is just a skull. And you know what? I haven't like seen that because I remember when I first started recording, people were going gaga over Ray Dunn, and I didn't know what Ray Dunn was because I would film a lot in Home Goods before work, and all these people would like rush and run to all the end caps. Now I don't see the whole rush of Ray Dunn anymore, but like years ago, we never seen that.
It was so weird.
Yeah, we were like, what happened?
They'd go in groups and they'd all have carts and they would like block people.
Yeah,
and they
yeah.
would all go there and they would yell across the store and get all loud and stuff that they found stuff over here, there's stuff over here. And they'd do like their weird blah, 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 or whatever, their calls or whatever.
So,
I can't do it.
But I feel like the Ray Dunn fad has died down, but now it's Hello Kitty, and so we're seeing it. It's just kind of odd to me.
Yeah, you know, like Xena's call, like that, you know, that weird thing she does. They were doing that all through the store, like, like to call each other. It was weird.
Okay, look how stinking cute. Top and bottom, $12.99. That's a cute one. They have a lot of cute tops. They have Disney. Oh, look at this hot dog guy. He could be a jelly cat, right? A jelly cat dupe. They're called Squishy Pals. They're $8. Is that funny? Because my daughter spends they spend a good amount of money on these stuffed animals.
Like $100.
And I'm all like, dude, you guys save your money. Okay, $10. We got top and bottom. Also comes in white. With the cherries on it. A lot of these Old West shirts. Look at that. That's kind of cute. $10. Oh, a Scarface, $9. Can't forget Scarface. Right to Live. Florida Everglades. Look at this one. Funny. Florida. Oh, and just tons of different shirts. The Godfather, Nike, Art School. Let me go. Let's see what these. Sometimes there might be like Halloween shirts like mixed in here. Quicksilver, Maui and Sons. And this one piece. I think I tried to watch the live action. I didn't get far because I was too tired, too late. Most of these shirts are 10, so if you want something like this, it would not be bad for like back to school stuff. Let me pan out. I feel like I'm just like too zoomed in. What does this one say over here? Death Valley, California. Oh yeah, here's this Ghostface, New York. You know what? I have not, in none of the areas I go to, I have yet to find the Ghostface bust, which a lot of people like, you know, with just wearing the pink gloves and everything. I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, kind of like halter tops here. These are $12.99. The sweatshorts. This print is kind of cute if you're looking for some sweat shorts. Okay, finding this set here is actually really funny because I got this set at Macy's. My daughter got this for the same price, 15, because it was all like, oh, 7 for Christmas time. I'm like, okay, that means 15. The only thing I say about these shorts, it's a cute set. They're very wide, stretchy. So if you're petite, even if you get like an extra small, the shorts are gonna be very stretchy, very loose, I guess what I would say. I like the square neck tops. I feel like they'll just go with everything. You get 3 here. I mean, back to school, not bad. 35, it'll still be like in the hundreds when we go back to school. It's supposed to be 100 and what is supposed to be today? 100 and what?
Today's 117.
117. Yesterday felt like so hot. I was doing something and then I'm like, why does it feel hotter than what it says on my phone? You know what I mean? And it said it was only 106. So I'm like, this is not 106. This is something else. It was so terrible, and the heat really does make you tired. Because I was like, I gotta go home. The cute one right here. I have a lot of the greens. Oh, tops are coming out. Hey, we have that in blue. Halter tops. So I don't know what the school. Well, I have. Like, yeah, it's different. So I know people have like dress codes. Some don't. I don't even know. Okay, I want to go to the handbags and see if there's anything new. Here's this black True Religion. This one is $39.99. $39.99. Steve Madden right next to me. This is $29.99. Detachable strap, a little buckle right here in the front. $29.99. And Klein Juicy. I'll skip on the Juicy. The Isaac backpack, $45. Juicy Steve Madden. And everything here on this end cap is Juicy. Like, look at this one. These are $29.99. And you got the backpacks, totes. Let me see that end cap. Oh, here's this Halloween bag. The reusable. These are $5.99. This one's like more. Oh, I like that ghost one. I like this one too. There's like little ghosts right here. There is a decor. Isn't there a decor like this? With a ghost? We saw something like that. I don't know where we were. I might have been a picture though. Oh. Oh look. They're blending. The ghost and the skeleton, they got something going on. That's kind of funny to see. I never see that. It's like really funny actually. These beaded ones, these are kind of cute. These are Nanette Lepore. These are 24. Oh, clearance, 24 bucks. No spooky candles over here. Just a lot of room sprays. Again, I'm still waiting for the frames. These are $8. Got the pumpkin. That one's like ready for fall. That one's gonna be $7. Okay. Let's come down over here. Really want to see more Halloween kitchen items, but I haven't been able to. Let's do some scanning. Harry Potter. Okay, yeah, we just saw Harry Potter the other day, and Stitch. Oh no, this might be it. This might be it. Gosh, I really need a haircut. Like, I don't want to cut it short. I really need a good thin out and a good shaping. I need good shaping as all has grown out. And I'm just like, ooh, it just feels heavy and long, you know what I mean? Alright, you guys, that is gonna do it for today. These are $20. Please stay safe out there, and I will see all of you in the next one.